Good evening and welcome to Chase the View. Andito tayo kanina no, sa may pier. And dahil maganda yung sunset, so nagpalipad na rin tayo saglit ng ating drone. So kumusta yung fiesta nyo? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Chill lang tayo dito sa Chase the View.
I knew I wouldn't forget you, and so I went and let you blow my mind. You're sweet